Welcome pros, we are here taking a tour of 279 Grey Fox in Kitchener. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom basement that has an ensuite laundry and is very close to Sunrise Mall. Here is the street. There's your basement, there's your entrance, garage entrance. You have your keypad. And we have shared laundry space over here. It's common. This is the main floor where the landlord lives. And this is your entrance, private entrance. And we come down. So again, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom space. We've got storage over here. Kitchen, very bright. Big windows, high ceiling. Laminate counter. I like the cupboards going all the way to the ceiling. Appliance with proper exhausting. That's important. Lots of space to add another fridge if you like. Here are the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. You can see how big the window is. That's a big window. Bedroom number 2. Again, look at how big that is. Just to show you the light that comes in. Then in here, we have a hallway and storage space. Bright bathroom, shower, sink. Nice tile, monster shower, I really like that. High ceiling and you get the heat in the bathroom. So if you're interested to inquire about this place, it's available immediately. You know how to reach us. Thank you for watching.